Need to move files between computers? Let me show you the fastest options. First, the simplest method, using an external drive like a USB stick or an external hard drive. Plug the drive into your first computer, then copy the files you want to transfer onto it. Eject the drive safely, then plug it into your second computer. Now, simply copy the files from the drive onto your second PC. Simple and straightforward. Next, let's talk about network sharing. Both computers need to be connected to the same network. On the first PC, you need to enable file sharing for the specific folders you want to transfer on the second PC. Access the network share through File Explorer and copy the desired files over to your PC. Remember to make sure the firewall settings on both computers are set to allow file sharing. Another option: cloud storage services like Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox let you upload files from your first PC. This involves installing the cloud services sync application. After uploading, download the same files on your second PC. After installing the same sync app, make sure you're logged into the same account on both computers. Finally, we have specialized file transfer software. Some options may provide options like directly connecting computers, such as the use of a network cable and file transfer. These programs usually offer features like faster transfer speeds and the ability to transfer multiple files simultaneously. This depends, of course, on which software you choose, so make sure to do your research. Choose the method that best fits your needs. Happy file transferring.